pursue me come outside. The people will commit the crime. The women will commit the crime. Both your husband or the woman, all of them consider for inside office. They give the chairman they sit down.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. If today is your first time you are coming across this channel, please support your girl. Support me by hitting on this subscribe button below, then you will see a bell. Touch that bell, that bell stand for notification bell. Anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for many that subscribe to this channel. May God bless you all. Today video what we want to talk about, maybe this video where they go viral. This woman and her husband, they come outside, they cry, say their neighbor carry their pikin go outside. Not up to 30 minutes, they come back and say the pikin don't die for river. And when they want come on for us, they not talk say that they go river. As we see the story get as it be. Different ways they where all these kidnappers till they carry their mission. Pikin wey na talk say wan follow una go outside, just go play or go visit person. At the end, una come cry come back say the pikin don die for river. And they go inside river, the divers and everybody, they not see dead body for the river. The story they imagine. I say make una see wetin dey happen for the world. I will let una watch the video, then we will come back, we will come analyze am together. Here is the video.
Yeah, I agree the general public. Now me, Obasuyi Muslim, the father to the missing child, the only daughter I have, Victory Obasuyi. On Monday, I was in my house when I heard my wife asking Mama Jennifer, my neighbor, at my backyard, Mrs. Asemota, that where is my daughter Victory and her daughter that they used to play together. She told my wife that my daughter had followed her visitor that came from all the way from Aduwawa to come and visit him, and her two daughters to Ikboba to go and visit her friend. My wife was trying to quarrel with her, and I told my wife to leave her. Maybe she did not know when they left. Not quite 30 minutes. My last born, great.
Look at the great here.
My last born overhead them.
That is the great. Last born.
My last born over this is the immediate younger brother to the missing girl. Then he ran to the house and said that Daddy, I heard them saying in Mama Jennifer's parlor that Victory is inside the river. I and the mother and other people will quickly shout and rush to the river. Before we got to the river, nobody was shouting on the road. Nobody even said anything that somebody fell in the river. Then we got to the river, we did not even see anybody in the river. All I know that the people my daughter followed to river was that woman that came to visit my neighbor at the backyard. And they never came back with my daughter. How they do my daughter now, I don't know. Where they keep my daughter now, I don't know. 11-year-old girl. Please, I am begging the general public and the AIG of police of Edo State to please to help me to find out what happened to my daughter. Because the police at the state CID at me, named Inspector Victor Edohem, is trying to jeopardize the case by threatening my life that he will turn the case against me and send me to prison. And my wife will bite her hand. He even took my phone and knocked it on the ground. So I want the general public and everybody in the world to intervene into this matter.
If I might pick you, people will go fear me, help me. Because now my neighbor, I could carry picking. If friend will say come for Boba, I could carry.
That is the mother of the missing child.
That's the picking now. I don't see picking. I don't know where they put picking. They don't job or don't go river. They don't divers don't enter river. They don't check river. They check everywhere. They say picking on day. May they go ask the woman and the gang where they carry my picking go river. May they go ask them where they put picking. May they go ask them. May they me ask them because we go station. As we reach station, police say they the station they help you. He said maybe we come outside. He said maybe he said one beats my husband. He won't put my husband for sale. He said, my boy go jail my husband. He said, go beat my husband. He said, me wait, me. He said, me them I see case. He said, me them I see case. He said, me go back to my hand for this case. He said, me never see anything. He won't pursue me come outside. The people will commit the crime. The women will commit the crime. Both your husband or the woman, all of them consider for inside office. They give the chairman they sit down. They buy ever water. They buy car water. They give them and they drink. Me will get picking when not see people. The body
The government should come to the rescue.
the should be come outside. He don't come outside. He don't the people come outside.
The problem we are facing here, this happened no Giso. A missing child of 11 years old named Victory Obasuyi. That is the father, that is the mother. That is the first child in the back of his father. Ever since the incident, no intervention by the police.
May they help me. May they ask them. May they put my picking. May they die for sorry for. Help me people when they river. When come they check the river. They say may they ask them with them. May they ask them when they put picking. They say picking no dey the river. May they ask them. I dey beg government. I dey beg government. May they help me. May they help me. May they help me ask them when they put my picking. May they be my
The only daughter?
Because the woman tell me. The woman when my neighbor tell me. He said my pikin not die. He said at this station when they arrest them so then my pikin won't take come out. He said how would they not arrest them? He said my pikin for don't come out. That means they get waiting them may they keep the pikin. May they government help me. May they help me. I'm not get money. May they help me. May they ask the question.
My people, show una see how the story be. Say this story something dey under. Family will be say they get pikin will be say he lost. Now they come they accuse again. Why people will be say he carry another man child comot, they not say and break on. Now they can't give seat, that is give them seat for inside station where they sit down they drink water. This is Nigeria problem. This is what Nigerians are passing through. Bad country will be say we get. Something happen for the police to say okay, let's look to the issue what really happened. Now they still dey threaten who get family. My people, we una see how this story be. Wetin una think about this story wey this woman and her husband dey pass through? Abeg my people, make una dey careful. All neighbors, they are not happy over your progress or over your children's life. We all should be careful with one another because we don't know who be who. And this video where I see, it really touched my heart. Now I say may I break on. May we analyze that together. What do you think about the issue? Please do not forget to drop your comment. Give this video a like. Share this video so that people will know what is happening in the world. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.